Attended several schools before she achieved a certificate in typing. She enlisted into the army on 10 February 1982, commissioned on 6 February 1988, and has served through ranks to Lieutenant General. She did officers' base course at Bombo Military Academy. Over the years, Lieutenant General Prof. Nalweyiso has held several command and staff appointments to only 316 officers. Your Excellency, Resistance Officer number 00031, General David Sejusa, was born on the 13th November of 1954 to late Canon Simon P. Wajojo and Mrs. Tabisa Bujangara Wajojo of Kaibona, Nyambirizi, Maogola, Sembabule District. He attended law school and was awarded a bachelor's degree of laws, a Master of Laws degree from Makerere University, and did a postgraduate bar course which he left after clerkship. He also pursued a certificate in Information and Computer Technology of Berkshire Corporation, Canada.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.